Hello, dear learners. Hope you all are doing well. So, today we are learning a lesson for class 1. Before we go ahead, let's understand what are the basic or essential mathematical skills that are required for a student who is studying in class 1. This video is specifically for class 1 student and their parents, as the students are very small. So, as a parent, they should understand these skills to inculcate in the students so that they can create a good foundation for the kids. So, the first skill a child should be having when they are learning in class 1 or they should develop through class 1 grade 1 is numbers and counting. Second is basic operations of addition and subtraction. Third skill is geometry and shapes. Fourth one is measurement. Then comes patterns, and lastly data. So these many skills should be developed by a class 1 student while studying in class 1. So today we will first understand the topic of the day, that is numbers and counting. So in numbers and counting, a child should be learning counting up to 100 or 200 at least, and the counting should be learned in two types: forward count like 18, 19, 20, 21, so on, and backward count, for example 32, 31, 30, 29, and it can be with start with any number for backward and forward both. Second thing, in numbers and counting, a child will be learning about numerals, reading and writing numerals in digit forms like 42 or in words like 42 spellings. Then the next third thing will be learned is number sense, where student will learn one more than any number and one less than any number, like 91 plus 1, 92, 91 minus 190. One more and one less is done here. Next is skip counting. For class 1 student, preferably counting in 2s, 5s and 10s should be learned while they are in class 1. So here is the example of counting in 2s: 2, 4, 6, 8. Like that, a child can understand the skip counting in step of 2. 5, 10, 15, 20. It can be understand in the steps of 5, that we are going in 5 counts in steps of 5, and 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on we are going in steps of 10. Then lastly, in numbers and counting, a child will learn about place value of two-digit numbers, that is ones and tens. Example, a number 32. It has two ones and three tens.